Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. That's Diane's Decorating and More. Thank you so much for tuning in here with me on the channel today. I am preparing our supper and wanted to share with you exactly how I prepare my ribs. So, alright, I've taken a screenshot of everything that I'm putting here in the ribs to bake them. And I wanted to share with you how I prepare them, simply because this is the version where we bake them in the oven, and then towards the end we're going to kind of roast them in terms of turning it up from the top of the oven, okay? And it's going to give it that little, I would say, crispy crust to the ribs. So I wanted to show you that technique that I use, okay? Alright, so once again, thank you for tuning in here on the channel. Thank you for your support out there. And guys, I truly believe we're almost there to reaching our goal. Okay, so hang in there with me, share the channel, and be sure to subscribe. Alrighty? Alright, let's get started on these delicious ribs. Okay guys, as you can see, our skillet here is heated up. Put a little oil in there to get our ribs ready to sear. Alright, that sounds great. That's exactly what you're looking for right there. Yes. Okay, so what we're going to do right now, we're going to sear these ribs up really good on both sides. And once we sear them up, we're going to be placing them in the oven where they can finish off the baking process. They've already been seasoned and they are ready to go. So hang tight guys, and I will bring you right back once these are seared on both sides to show you exactly how I prepare them as they get ready to go into the oven. Okay guys, we are back and our ribs have seared to the point that I'm satisfied with them. So now we're going to go ahead and place it into our tray, our baking tray here. And as you can see, I've put my favorite purple onions and also some green onions and some red bell peppers, alright, as a base, and some garlic cloves as a base. So we're going to transfer our seared meat here onto our tray. Alright, I tell you, this smells good. I don't know if the camera just does this justice, guys. This smells and looks delicious. It really does. And I love my ribs kind of like with that little brown part there to it. Oh my goodness. Once all the flavors and the seasoning sink into that, I tell you, you're ready for some eating. Alright, so now what we're going to do is go ahead and finish putting our other part of the onions on top here. And you can choose yellow onions, purple onions, white onions. We have also Texas, what we call Texas sweet onion. You can use those if you like. If you're here in Texas or another part of the country, use whatever flavored onions you choose that you like, okay? All right. My favorite, of course, if you're following me on the channel here, you know it's purple onions. So we're gonna top it off with some more bell peppers here. And I love color, guys. So you'll see a lot of coloring with my foods, because I believe that enhances it. The richer the flavors, the robust flavors and colors of your food is just more inviting to me. And you tend to want to, you know, eat the food because you prepare it for yourself or your family. So you tend to want to, you know, enjoy the food as well as have those who eat it enjoy it as well. All right, so we have some little red potatoes here, what I like also. And if you like, you can put potatoes on yours or not. And there are different brands of kinds of potatoes too. Your gold, your red, your Idaho, whichever you prefer, or whatever you have in your home that's available. Alrighty, you can do that as well. All right, so this is what we're doing. Our seared ribs are ready to go into the oven, guys, and finish off the baking process. Doesn't that look good? Absolutely delicious. So these are going to go into the oven at 375 degrees for about a good 45 minutes. And I'll check them to see if they're tender enough for me at that point. Alrighty? So hang tight and I'll show you exactly what the finished products of these seared ribs look like. Okay guys, I am back and I wanted to come back and show you exactly what I was talking about, how I fixed my ribs here. And this is the finished product here out of the oven. I took some snapshots and we'll also load those up onto the channel for you guys too. Alrighty, so these are the finished ribs here. So we're about to serve up our dinner. Leave me a comment on what you think, how this turned out, what you would do different, or if you like what you see, let me know. Alrighty, thank you again for tuning in here on the channel as I prepared and finished these delicious pork ribs. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, so that way next time you'll know what else such as this is being uploaded to the channel, guys. Alrighty, thanks for watching and stopping by. Go out and have a great one, and we'll see you next time. Taste time. This is from my plate. This is absolutely delicious. This is delicious, guys. Absolutely delicious.